locks and unlocks now
Yeah.
too? Oh my. The internals are completely missing. I lost them.
It dropped and it probably flew open.
Exactly. It's just, I opened it one day to change out the battery because it wasn't
You
working.
can't.
And that's what I learned after I changed it.
Yeah, not on the OEM ones. The one I'm gonna sell you, yeah, you can. But on the OEM ones, there's no changing the battery. It's like soldered on there.
Exactly. That's what I had seen.
All good?
All good?
Yeah.
The locks and unlocks now
Yeah.
too? Oh my God.
It took a remote. It took it.
Bro, thank you. I appreciate you, you know?